Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see applique cushion cover designs. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If it's time for you to decorate your dream home, you are at the right place. I am going to give you easy tips to turn your home into a dream home. From different colors to different patterns, we'll give you designing a kick start, and all you need is a few new home decor items and you are all set. One of the most important and cost-effective home decor option is designer cushion covers. They would give any room a trendy touch and is the most cost-effective way to decorate your home. Another way to make your home look stylish and modern, apart from changing cushion covers, is adding a little greenery indoors. Plants suddenly beautify the interior look of a room. Just pair it with a few posters and paintings, and your room will look completely different. We at Daily Objects realize the importance of redecorating your house and come up with the trendiest designer cushion covers and posters, and we are here to give you tips to make your dream home. Whether you want to keep it simple and minimalistic or you want go ball boho and decorate all the walls and corners of your home, we have it all. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.